Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Lippink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. What we have right now between Russia and Ukraine, that brings us a lot of uncertainty on the market because there are different kind of news that actually the war, the attack can happen any day, and how it will affect the market. So let's talk about it a little bit. The second news is all about that we had the Super Bowl 2022 and we had record amount of crypto ads in this Super Bowl event. So crypto is getting bigger and bigger, at least they're advertising it. And the third news is all about that the Ethereum average transaction fee is the lowest in 6 months. So it looks like now not that many transactions happening on the Ethereum blockchain. Talk about that as well. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, just simply subscribe to this channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing them for you. Also, check out the links under this video, many useful ones. For example, centralized exchanges. You have links, you can register with those links, and then you get nice discounts from transaction fees, for instance. But also there's a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Many useful information for everybody. You can download it just for free. And now when we're looking at the market, we can see that actually Bitcoin is down 1.3% in the last 24 hours. Right now, $42,090. Ethereum also down 2.5%, 2,869. When we're looking at the top gainers, you do not have really gainers here in the last 24 hours. Shiba went up 1.2%, and pretty much that's it. And when we're looking at the losers, yes, Helium is the leader, minus 12.2, and actually not that. Smooth Love Potion is 13. They always mix it up here. And then in the top 3 is also Cadena going down 11% right now at the moment. And have a quick look on the Bitcoin chart because we can see here this nice side movements. This level, 42,000, between 41 and 42, something like that. It's a very, very, very strong level. Even here, you can go back just several times. Here, 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 here. So this is definitely strong support. If we break it, then of course the next step, 38, could be 35, and then could be 30, whatever steps we're taking. On the other hand, if we balance here, and then we go up, this could be the perfect one for the recovery because then we have here higher highs, higher lows, and this would turn the market a little bit more bullish, but it depends a lot what's happening financially in the world and also with this new situation what we are witnessing right now between Ukraine and Russia. Will this war happen or not? So let's talk about that. The biggest uncertainty right now in the market is because of the Ukraine-Russian conflict, what we're having right now. We do have enough uncertainties, to be honest with you. We have the Fed, they're going to increase the interest rate. They're probably going to announce it, in March. You don't know the percentage. We have the biggest inflation numbers in 40 years. The last time in 1982 was the similar to this. And we have the bonus, the conflict between Russia and US. And look, Ukraine Foreign Minister Dmytro Kuleba said on Sunday evening that Ukraine had requested a meeting with Russia within 48 hours. So negotiation will take place. On the other hand, German Chancellor Olaf Scholz will hold talks with the president of Ukraine and Russia on Monday and Tuesday. So they're talking separately. Germany is a very important one in Europe as Europe's biggest economy. And we have all this thought from the US that US National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan told CNN on Sunday that the Russian attack on Ukraine could happen this week. Basically, he's saying in his words that it can happen, anytime. So from the US side, you're getting this news that, it's like, we're counting the minutes here. From Russia, Ukraine, they looks like they're negotiating, so they're not saying that we will jump into this, but this is definitely a situation what we're having right now. And because of this, whenever is uncertainty on the market, how it will affect the oil prices in the US and so on and so forth, and the whole investment market, obviously that's why we're seeing these numbers that we are actually getting sideways. We pulled back to 42,000, which is a strong level. Can be broken, obviously, but if this will turn out in the good situation, nothing will happen, then it's a great chance that we can actually have a relief rally and then start to go up a little bit. If things getting here worse, then obviously the market, the whole market, stock market, crypto market, you name it, it will go down because it will have an impact on the world investments, feeling, and this whole mood. So this is the thing what we're watching right now. It's not just crypto which is in trouble, also the stock market and others as well. This is in short term. In the long term, the fundamentals are just the same. Inflation, big numbers. Fiat is not the best to an investment. We're looking for a hedge against inflation. Bitcoin, gold, whatever you want to do it. But definitely crypto looks like one of the best choices, not financial advice, obviously. Okay, now let's move on to the second topic. And the second topic is about the Super Bowl 2022, because we do know that the ads during the Super Bowl are very expensive. And now we had a lot of crypto-related companies, showing their ads during this Super Bowl event. Okay, so how you can make something more popular? Obviously, you advertise it. This is, a very easy strategy. And what we have right now, that we had the biggest event in the US every year. This is the Super Bowl. And during the Super Bowl, more than 100 million people watching Super Bowl. And therefore, the commercial break, it's a very, very pricey one if you would like to place your advert in that. And in this year, we had a lot of crypto companies. So major crypto businesses, including FTX, Ethereum, Crypto.com, Coinbase, debuted crypto ads in Super Bowl 2022. So we had Coinbase, and basically they had their ad, a very, very minimalistic ad, but it's very interesting. I paid a lot of money for it. Hopefully the message went through, because even their website, Coinbase, crashed. It was just too much. They couldn't handle it because there was a giveaway. As you can see, give away $15 in Bitcoin to anyone who joins Coinbase on the 15th of February. So free Bitcoin. So actually many people went and registered there. Then we had FTX, also a commercial. They had a different kind of type here. You can watch this. This is collected here on Cointelegraph in one article. Then we have eToro. It's also their ad during this. And of course, we had Crypto.com, because they're playing a lot of on adverts. And actually, in this Crypto.com advert, it was the NBA star LeBron James talking to his younger version, going back to the past a little bit, and yes, talking about the future. His younger version from 2003. And yes, so we can see that crypto is definitely getting more and more popular. There are many companies, they made a lot of money in crypto recently, and they spend it on adverts. And this actually will just make crypto industry even bigger, especially because it was televised during this big event, Super Bowl. So many crypto ads. It costed tons of money, but it wasn't a big deal for them. Crypto.com, they just purchasing so many things. The Lakers Arena, for instance, and the name of the Lakers Arena changing, and you name it. So when people putting in money in advertising, making something more popular, it will reach more people. And guess what? they probably will join crypto, part of them at least. Okay, guys, that's for the second news. And the third thing is all about Ethereum's transaction fee. It's now lowest in the last 6 months. Recently, we had a tremendous high transaction fees on the Ethereum network. And now, guess what? Ethereum average transaction fee dropped almost 73.3% just within a month, down to 14.17 US dollar from 53. The data from blockchain shows that the average transaction fee of Ethereum in January was 53, as I just said, and it peaked basically in last May, which was above 70 US dollar in 2021. So obviously big number. And as you can see here on this chart, it went down significantly. Why is this? It's partly because now what we have this uncertainty on the market, so there's not too much transaction going on. This is one side. But another important thing is the NFT marketplace, because also NFT marketplace is chilling right now. You know, it had a record month in January, definitely. And now in February, it decreased. And there are not that many transactions. Therefore, the gas price is also much nicer when you purchase right now any of these NFTs. But when the NFT hype will be back, or, you know, the market will increase, this situation will change. But this is right now the present situation. So in the last 6 months, the average Ethereum gas fee is right now, the transaction fee is the cheapest. So actually good news for those who would like to get out some ERC20 tokens, because, you know, now is the time maybe to send it off or change it or swap it or whatever, you name it. Do any kind of transactions if you plan to do it in advance, when the transaction fee is low, not when actually it's really high. But this is just an idea. Guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, tomorrow I'm back with the freshest as every single weekday. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every single weekday. So see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.